Hello everyone! Today, Google released this new AI model, Gemma. If you look at this chart here, this model looks really impressive compared with the similar models. So in today's video, let's try this model and see how it works. Let's take a look over here. So to use this model, there are several things we need to do. At first, we need to create an account with this website called Kaggle. So what we do here is we just need to register an account. You can use your Google account or register with your email account. So I'm going to sign up with my Google account, and then after that I will continue. Okay, I just signed up with my Google account, and this page here shows up. I'm just going to click Access Gemma. Okay, so next thing what we need to do is we need to request access over here. On this page, we need to click accept and then click accept again. Now you can see we have access to this model already. So, okay, the next thing we need is the Kaggle API. To get that, we click our icon over here and then choose settings. And from here, we can click Create New Token. With that, we will get a new file here, which is called kaggle.json. And if you open this file, it will have a name of your account and also the API key we are going to use in the next step. So I'm just going to open this file, and then I will continue from there. So next thing what we do here is we are going to go to the colab.research.google.com, and once you go to this website and log in with your Google account, you will see this page over here. So from here we can create a new notebook, and in this new notebook we are going to add the Kaggle API we created in the previous step. We're going to create a secret key here and add the keys we get from the Kaggle website on this page. So I just added two keys to the secrets section. So one is Kaggle key here. So this is your key you get from the Kaggle website. And the other thing is your Kaggle username. So once that is done here, we can start writing the code. So we're going to import the keys first. Okay, another thing what we need to do is we need to allocate the resource. So change the runtime type to T4 GPU. After that, we need to rerun this code again. So next thing, we need to install two packages from the Keras. So this will take a little bit of time. Okay, that's done. Now let's install a second package. Okay, there is an error about the dependence issue with this TensorFlow package here. Let's just ignore this for now and see if we can run the code to get some response from the new AI model. So this simple code is going to set the Keras backend and define the AI model as the Gemma 2B version. And then it will send this question to the AI and ask for a response. And then at the end, we're going to print a response. So let's try this and see how it works. Maybe it will take a little time when you are running this for the first time. Okay, finally we got an answer to our question. Here is a response to the question we asked. So let's try to ask another question here. Here we go. This is the response to our second question. At this time, it is much faster than the first question. So that's the end of this video. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Please subscribe. I have more videos about AI models coming up. See you soon. Bye bye.